Hello Vogue, I'm Bianca the Beauty Nerd. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I have a full face of makeup on and I cannot wait to take it all off and get ready for bed. If you want to see what I do for my night routine, then just keep on watching. Today we are going to be trying two new things. These two were sent to me by my friends at Estee Lauder. This one is the Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam and this is the Soft Clean. So I've used this once and I've never tried this. So I like this one because it's actually pretty similar to my Avène cleansing lotion in the way that it's actually very gentle. So I'm just applying this all over my face and then we're going to rinse it off. Okay, I'm just gonna rinse this. So this is how it looks rinsed off. So it took everything off, every trace of mascara, all the soap in my brows, everything was gone except for my lipstick, which is completely fine and understandable. It's just super easy to blot with a tissue. The feel of it is really soft on the skin. My skin feels supple still and hydrated, but it does also feel squeaky clean. Not tight, just refreshed. Next, I'm going to try the Soft Clean. So this is also like a hydrating essence. When it comes to essences, I never use cotton pads. And this has the perfect texture for something to just put on using your fingers because it's not so watery that it's gonna be hard to apply. It's actually quite slippery, so you can give your face a little bit of a relaxing massage. It doesn't absorb completely. There is some sort of protective layer on your skin, which I tend to like when it comes to skincare products. I feel like it protects my skin barrier a little bit more. First impressions on the Soft Clean. It left my skin super supple and it feels really hydrated and I really love its finish. It finishes really shiny and dewy, which you know that I really love. The only downside I see to this is that it does have a bit of stickiness, so it does leave your skin a little bit tacky. If you like putting makeup, then that's great. It'll actually grip your foundation even more. But then again, if you don't like that sticky feel, maybe you want to opt for a much lighter essence or just go for a watery toner. The next thing I'm applying is this Dear Klairs sheet mask. I'm really excited for this because it's a calming sheet mask. My face has been battered the past few days. I've been wearing makeup, taking them off, trying things on. It's been exciting, but also I need something to calm it down a little bit. So this one is cooling. I left it in the fridge, so I'm very excited. And it's also purifying, so it will remove all the impurities off of my face. So yeah, let's open it up. I feel like Batman. I love Dear Klairs masks because they fit so well. So they come in two parts. The top part and the bottom part, which you sort of join together. Okay, now I'm just going to relax and just try to enjoy myself watching TikToks. I do have a new TikTok account. It's Bianca the Beauty Nerd. If you want to follow me on there, I post like random little snippets of my beauty life. Follow me if you want to. If you want to, never forcing anybody. Hello, so it's been about 30 minutes and I think it's time to take this off. So I'm going to do that. It was a very relaxing 30 minutes, by the way. My skin feels so smooth and plump and hydrated and relaxed. I feel like whatever irritation might have come up from the past couple days has been soothed, and yeah, absolutely love it. And the last step to my very short night routine today is the Glossier After Balm. So let me know if you want me to make an in-depth video about this and its ingredients, but this is a product that I have been reaching for a lot the past few days. A lot of people are wondering, like, why would Glossier launch after Balm during the summer when it's gonna be hot, like right after the winter time? And the answer is a lot of people, especially people who, like me, have dry skin or psoriasis or eczema, tend to use thicker products. That is because we need that extra layer of protection to make sure that all of the hydration in our skin doesn't evaporate out. What I usually use is Vaseline or petroleum jelly, which is really thick and gloopy. But this after balm is an occlusive and works just like petroleum jelly or Vaseline. It provides your skin with its own little cocoon. So this is actually an option, a much lighter one when you think of occlusives in general. The only thing I don't like about it is it also has that bit of a sticky feel, like it's a little tacky, which is great if you want to apply makeup over it, because if you use Vaseline underneath makeup, everything just like slides around. But this one can actually grip foundation or whatever base you're putting on. I think during the summer months, which, well, summer has already started, I am going to be using the Glossier After Balm much more than I will be using Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Yeah, that's it. I already look like a really extremely triple dunk glazed donut. My night routines change all the time. I have a ton of products on rotation. Today was all about babying my skin since it's been through a lot, and it just needed gentle products that would soothe it so that it wouldn't get allergies, eczema, or get inflamed. And that is why we use those 4 products. Skin routines don't have to be long. You just need to listen to your skin and give it what it needs. And that's all for now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe. I am a new creator and every subscription means just the world, the absolute world to me. It really motivates me to keep on creating more content on YouTube for you guys. So yeah, I hope to see you guys again soon, and yeah, bye!